If you never still purchase your bottle of Varo sauce from Amazon, you did wrong because this recipe don't complete without Varo sauce. We are gonna make that lasagna with me. First of all, put your olive oil, come put your minced meat. Oh yeah, scatter the minced meat well. Then you come add your seasoning powder. Not add too much seasoning powder, just add small. Turn away, come add your garlic. Oh yeah, turn this your bottle of Varo sauce. You see why I say you don't fit do without this Varo sauce. So go buy your own now. We are mix them properly. See as they mix them properly. Once you mix them, it go look like this. Oh yeah, check and well now. See as it fresh. Next thing, you go fry your plantain. Now this size you go cut your plantain. Once you fry your plantain, make it not too brown. The next step na layering. Oh yeah, put all your plantain, arrange them just like you go arrange your lasagna sheet. Then you go come pour your minced meat, pour everything inside. Once you don't pour and finish, next step you go pour your cream. I go show you the recipe for this cream later, but pour your cream. Once you pour your cream, next step, pour your cheese. I use mozzarella cheese for this one. Once you don't pour your cheese, you can arrange another plantain on top. If you do another layering, but me you don't do, so I can't add my cheese, go top with Varo sauce. Oh yeah, very good. I check out after I don't bake and finish. Just fresh, just sweet. Oh yeah, make gonna go try this recipe.